Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we are back again with BLACKPINK. Yes, BLACKPINK Shutdown. I just opened up a can of worm. I just opened up a can of K-pop worm. I just opened up a can of K-pop worm. But I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And I'm loving the comments that's pointing me to these songs. If it wasn't for you guys, I would not be finding these songs to react to. So thank you, guys. Thank you. Let's build a community, man. Let's build a community out of this. Let's do this. We can do this. Let's build a community, man. Let's do it. BLACKPINK Shutdown. I have one question, but I'll show you guys when I get into this one. Let's go. Okay, so right here it says hold on, wait, you can't hear me. Alright, so right here it says BLACKPINK Shutdown M/V. What does the M/V mean? I don't know. Tell me, please, because I'm seeing it on all of their projects. What does M/V means? That's just me being curious. All right, that's how I'm gonna learn. So let's jump into this one and see what BLACKPINK has to say in Shutdown. Let's go. Wait. We're not gonna be doing that like that without no subtitles. We need subtitles. I forgot my subtitles. Woo! Yeah. It's not a comeback since they've never left. So for those who are doubting them, basically she's saying this is not a comeback for us. We've been here. I love that tango. Never lost. Oh God, okay, alright. So I think what I'm gonna have to do right here, I'm gonna have to focus on the lyrics and then rewind and go to the video, because I don't wanna miss nothing. Yeah. Baby. Praying for my downfall, many have tried, baby. Catch me when you hit my Lamborghini, go vroom, 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 vroom. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. Yeah. Shutdown. Whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sundown. Black and it's pink once the sundown. Keep watching me shut you down. Yep, keep watching. You don't wanna be on my best side, that's right, I'm sliding through. You don't want to be on my bad side. That's right, I'm sliding through. You're deaf? You don't want to be on our bad side. You don't want to be on our bad side. Oh. You don't want to be on my bad side. That's right, I'm sliding through. Bunch of wannabes that wanna be me. Me three if I was you. Been around the world, toes on your girl. Bunch of wannabes that wanna be me. Me three if I was you. Bunch of wanna be me. But guess what? If I was you, me three if I was you. You get it? Bunch of wannabes wanna be me. But me three if I was you. So I would wanna be me if I was you too. That's what she's saying. That's right, I'm sliding through. Bunch of wannabes that wanna be me. Me three if I was you. Been around the world, toes on your girl. Vivian says we invested, need a lesson, see the neck and see the stresses we don't buy, we recursing, A rock star, a pop star, but rowdy. I say bye to the paparazzi. Get my good side, I'll smile for ya. No, it ain't fair to ya. It's staring you like what now? BLACKPINK in your area. The area been shut down. It's a shutdown. Shut down.
swerve.
Catch me when you hear my Lamborghini go vroom, 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 vroom. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. Go shut down. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sundown. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. Go shut down. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Keep watching me shut it down. Yep. All right, let's go back to the video. All right, so we just focus on the lyrics. Obviously, I was reading what he was saying, so I'm just going back over to make sure I haven't missed anything in the video that I should have spotted. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! BLACKPINK in your area. BLACKPINK in the area. That tank is clean, man. Even the ice is pink, yo. Lisa. Praying for my downfall, many have tried, baby. Catch me when you hear my Lamborghini go vroom, 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 vroom. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sundown. Yeah. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠가 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Keep watching me shut it down. Nah, you don't wanna be on my best side. That's right, I'm sliding through. Bunch of wannabes that wanna be me. Me three if I was you. Been around the world, pros on your girl, Vivian since we invested. Need a lesson, see the neck, see the stresses we don't buy, we recurse it. A rock star, I'll be invested. Need a lesson, see the neck, see the stresses we don't buy, we recurse it. On your girl, Vivian since we invested. Need a lesson, see the neck, see the stresses we don't buy, we recurse it. A rock star, okay. Pop star, but rowdy, I say bye to the. She said we don't buy it, we request it. Request is different from buying something. She don't have to buy it, yo. Money speaks for itself. The stresses we don't buy, we recurse it. A rock star, a pop star, but rowdy, I say bye to the paparazzi. Get my good side, I'll smile for ya. No, it ain't fair to ya, it's scaring you like record now. BLACKPINK in broken. Your area, the area been shut down. It's a shut down to the paparazzi. Get my good side, I'll smile for ya. No, it ain't fair to. This bit here, record, slice. Lali says slice in the record, bro. Yeah, it's scaring you like what now? Symbolic. Symbolic. Area, the area been shut down. It's a shutdown. Sleep, baby. Ain't cheap, baby. Stay in your own lane, cause I'm about to swerve. Catch me when you hear my Lamborghini go vroom, 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 vroom. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠궈 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. It's black and it's pink once the sundown. When we pull up, you know it's a shutdown. 간판 내리고 문 잠궈 shutdown. Whip it, whip it, whip it. For badass girls. Keep watching me shut it down. I love these girls, man. I love these girls, no joke. Up. Woo! Yo, even though they're a group, you can tell that they are their own mega superstar in their own right. Like you can tell that they have their own unique style that they bring to the group, to form the group, to make the group so strong and make the group so different. BLACKPINK, whoa, what can I say? 4 badass girls, man. I like it. It's definitely a shutdown. I love it. And in my previous reaction, I was saying is it bad for a grown man to be sitting here loving a girl group smashing it like this? And someone in the comment section said, hell no, it's not bad because I'm the same. He said he's been... I'm gonna... Laser, big up yourself. Big up yourself. He said he's been to all the concerts and everything. So I don't feel guilty anymore. I don't feel guilty anymore. So Laser, thank you, sir. I appreciate you, man. But yeah, guys, let's build a community over here, man. Let's build a community and focus. Focus. Drop some comments, drop some likes, and please do sub to the channel. I do react to other genres as well. So if you see me reacting to something else, don't feel no way. Once a song drop for these girls, or if you guys suggest something, I'm gonna be reacting. So let me know which other K-pop groups are great songs that I should react to, cause I'm new to this genre of music. So K-pop, here I come. Hope you can accept me. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.